In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Adobe PDF Snapshot tool to take a snapshot in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This tool is incredibly handy if you need to capture specific sections of a PDF for presentations, documentation, or personal use. Let's dive right in to make sure you know how to efficiently utilize this feature. First things first, open the PDF file you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is crucial because the snapshot tool can only be used within this software. Once you have your PDF open, you'll need to locate the hamburger menu icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines typically found in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Now navigate through this menu until you find the option labeled Undo, Redo, and More. Once there, you should see Take a Snapshot as a sub option. Click on Take a Snapshot to activate the snapshot mode. This feature allows you to precisely capture the portion of the PDF you need, whether that's an image, text, or a combination of both. After selecting the snapshot option, your cursor will change into a crosshair tool. This crosshair serves as your visual aid to draw a rectangle around the area you wish to capture. Place the crosshair at the top left corner of the part you want to capture, click and hold the mouse button, then drag it diagonally to the bottom right corner of the desired section. This action will outline the area you want to save. It's important to be as precise as possible to ensure you capture exactly what you need. Once you have your desired area outlined, simply release the mouse button. By doing so, the selected part of your PDF will automatically be copied to your clipboard. This means you can now paste it into an email, document, or any other application where you need it. Remember, the snapshot tool captures an image of this selected section, so if you need the text content, you might want to use Adobe's text selection tools instead. And there you have it. You've now successfully captured a snapshot from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is particularly useful for creating quick references or sharing specific information without sending the entire document. Don't forget, mastering this tool will save you time and enhance your productivity when working with PDFs. Keep practicing and make sure to use this feature whenever you need a quick and efficient way to capture content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Adobe tools.